In this example, we are going to consider the circulation of a vector field along a curve, and this is actually an example from our book, so the image is from our textbook, and we want to find the circulation of the vector field whose components are z, x, and negative y on the tilted ellipse, parametrized by cosine t, sine t, cosine t for t from 0 to 2 pi. So notice in the image on the left with the blue arrows of the vector field, that's the vector field interacting with our curve. And recall that we're thinking of our vector field as representing velocity of some quantity, maybe water flow, maybe airflow, but we want it to be velocity if we're thinking about flow. And when flow is over a closed curve, then we change the term and we call it circulation. So we want the circulation of this field over the curve. Our curve is closed. The image on the right, those red vectors are actually the vector projections of the blue ones onto the tangent vectors. So let's recall that circulation is a vector line integral over a closed curve. So we can write it as the integral over a closed curve, so over C, of the vector field dotted with the tangent with respect to arc length. And what this means, I know that I repeat myself a bit, but what this means is we want to know how much of the vector field is in the direction of the curve. So we care about the projections of those vectors from the vector field onto the tangent vectors of the curve. And that's why we have the image on the right. So we should expect that because our vector field, these vectors that we project onto our curve seem to be going along the curve, we should expect circulation to be a positive quantity. So let's go ahead and calculate it. The nice thing here is that the curve is already parametrized for us. And so recall that to calculate a vector line integral, we need to change its form because this is really just shorthand to remind us what it means. So we will change this to an integral from t equals a to b, where our vector field has been composed with our curve because we're evaluating at the points along the curve, and that's dotted with our velocity vector r prime of t dt. And so this tells us a little bit of what our steps are going to be. So we need to find a couple of things. We can go ahead and start by finding r prime of t. So r prime of t, r of t is given, our tilted ellipse. When we take its derivative, we will get negative sine t, cosine t, and negative sine t. And we know that t is from 0 to 2 pi. The next thing that we need to do is we need to evaluate our vector field along the curve. So we're going to find the composition of the vector field with the points on our curve. And our vector field was z first. That's our first component. So z is going to be cosine t. I got to look up a little bit. There's our vector field at the top as well as our curve. The y component is x, so that's also going to be cosine t. And the z component is negative y, so that's going to be a negative sine t. And now we're ready to do the dot product. So the third thing we want here is set up our integrands, going to be the dot product of f and r prime of t. And when we do that, the first two terms multiplied together will give us a negative sine t, cosine t. The second two terms give us cosine squared t when we multiply together, and the third components multiplied together give us a sine squared t. So here we have cosine squared t plus sine squared t is 1, so this is 1 minus sine t times cosine t. All right, we're ready to integrate. So our integral, we know that t is from 0 to 2 pi, so we're going to write 0 to 2 pi of our integrand function 1 minus sine t cosine t dt. And this integral here, I can do a quick u sub, let u be sine t du will be cosine t dt, so this is going to be u squared over 2. So when we evaluate this and find the antiderivatives, we'll get t minus sine squared t over 2. And we are integrating from 0 to 2 pi. And so when we put 2 pi in, we get a 2 pi. Sine of 2 pi is 0. When we put a 2 in, both terms will be 0. So our circulation value is 2 pi. So that is circulation for this vector field over the curve, over the tilted ellipse.